Buy the perfume for your life, not for someone's opinion. A lot of women buy perfume for the reaction. What will he think? Will they like it? Will this get noticed? Will this fragrance get me compliments? And this is exactly how perfume choices starts drifting away from you. The best fragrance choice is not the one that performs for strangers. It is for the one that feels right on your skin, it feels right for your day, it feels right for your life. And this is where real confidence really starts. And this is why I've got 422 fragrances in my collection. This side, and that side, for those of you who have been to my smelling sessions. It's not for everyone. It helps you to choose from a collection so that you can get your fragrance wardrobe. Always start with samples. Ladies, please do not chase the little cute little bottle you see every second TikToker selling, because you do not know how that fragrance interact on your skin. Do not blind buy. You'll waste so much money. And there's a lot of ladies in the smelling session complain that says they've got tons and tons and tons of freaking bottles and nothing lost on their skin. Always test with samples first. Test it clearly on your skin and your hair and your clothing and everything else. Then only order your 30 ml or your 50 ml or your 100 ml, and with a matching body cream to make sure that we do not spray fragrances on a dry skin, because your fragrance will disappear. Let me help you. So message me and let's choose a fragrance that feels right for you first. I'll see you the next one.